Have you ever noticed how some people seem to get uncomfortable when you step into your full potential? How, when you start shining brightly, some individuals suddenly become distant, critical, or even hostile? It's not because you've done anything wrong. It's because your light, your confidence, success, and authenticity unsettles them. But here's the truth. It's their insecurity, not your brilliance, that's the problem. Many people are conditioned to operate in a space of mediocrity, where playing small is encouraged and standing out is seen as a threat. The moment you break free from that mold and embrace your greatness, you disrupt the comfort zones of those who are afraid to do the same. Your ambition reminds them of their complacency. Your drive highlights their stagnation. Your achievements serve as a mirror, reflecting back to them the dreams they abandoned or the fears they've yet to confront. But let's be clear, your purpose is not to dim your light to make others feel at ease. You were not put on this earth to shrink yourself for the comfort of those unwilling to grow. The ones who truly support and love you will celebrate your success. They will be inspired by your journey and motivated to step into their own greatness. Those who resent your shine are revealing their own internal battles, their own limitations, and their unwillingness to do the inner work required to rise higher. So, what do you do when your light irritates others? You keep shining. You continue walking in your truth. You push forward with even greater determination, knowing that the resistance you face is simply a sign that you're moving in the right direction. The world needs more light bearers, more individuals unafraid to break barriers, set new standards, and challenge the status quo. Be the example that shows others what's possible when you refuse to be bound by fear, doubt, or the opinions of those who refuse to see the greatness within themselves. It won't always be easy. The road to success, self-fulfillment, and authenticity can be lonely at times. But remember, the brightest stars don't shine in crowded skies. They shine against the darkness, unbothered by who may or may not approve. Your light is your power. It is your gift. And most importantly, it is your responsibility to nurture it, protect it, and let it shine as brightly as it was meant to. Keep walking in your light and keep shining.